Always thought you were the best. I guess I'll always win. I always thought that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it true. You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart connects, know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, no one else will. If I ever fall in love again, scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if it does just me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart connects, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, no other way. If I ever fall in love again, di ko malimutan ang iyong mga larawan, ang iyong mga pangako, ako lang. Kahit nasaan ka man, malayo o malapit man, ang pag-ibig ko'y iyo lamang. Kay pangarap ko sa tuwina, lagi kang laman ng isip, kawang siyang tibok, iyari, dibdib. Kahit na anong mangyari, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Wala akong ibang ibigin. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw, patuloy bang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag sa stars. Lagi kong hinahanap yakap mo nganong sarap. Ang iyong mga mata nangungusap. Pag ika'y kapiling, nalilimot ang sarili. Sana'y wag nang matapos ang gabi. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? Although you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. But Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. A feeling that what you might call a worthy question after all. And though I love you so, temptation find its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean it on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me when I get there. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. Ooh, my Lord, hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain na tutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko ako rin ang sisisihin. Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. Siya pang naiiwan, at ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, diba? When you say I miss the things you do, I just wanna get that close again to you. But for now, your voice still enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And though all the days that pass me by so slow, all the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you, there's never any doubt. I can wait forever if you say you'll be there too. I can wait forever if you will. I know it's worth it all. Spend my life alone with you. Time, it is time to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love, to bring back your love someday. I will be there. I will be there. Fight, they will fight to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love, can bring down the walls someday. I will be there. I will be there. If we go again all the way from the start, I will try to change the things that give our love. Brought us speed around so strong that I can get through. Is there really no chance? Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And though I just fall in love again, just one touch and then it happens every time that I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a train that keeps on reveling, but then it flies us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in lovers in the night. Poets try to write, we don't know how to rhyme, but time we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and a band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving, I own the gentleman. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. You are the one to make me happy when everything else turns to gray. Your wisdom voice that wakes my mornings and send me up into the day. You are the ground that sit quiet, listening to me and all the attempts that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering. Since it all through, how could anyone mean more than me, than you? I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me a life. Where did you go? Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never beat this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh, tonight I hope what would be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Hello Nay, happy Mother's Day po. Para po sa inyo yung kantang ito. Sana po ay magustuhan nyo. We love you Nay. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your day. Hope you like this song. And happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay sa buong mundo. Happy Mother's Day po. Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan kahit na sandali kita ay mamastan. Ligaya ay tila ba walang hanggan. Sana'y di na mag-isip kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay nagdarapa, minsan di na iluluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Sa puso ko'y ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo may kagabay sa'yo. Alay kong itong pagmamahal ko, may nagmamahal aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Sana'y di na mag-isa kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan di